row number 2 or second row, what we're gonna do, we're gonna chain 4 chains right now. So I am at the beginning of the row. I didn't do anything from the last video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, just like that. And then on this chain 2 space here, I'm gonna go and make a single crochet. I'm gonna go in that space here, just go like this, then grab the yarn, just go up and then go through 2. This is a single crochet. And again, I'm gonna chain another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I'm gonna go to the second next space here, go in, grab the yarn like this, and again grab the yarn and go through 2. Have about 2 spaces right now, right? And again, I'm gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna go in this one here, grab the yarn, go through 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next space. So I have 6 spaces, end up with 6 another spaces on a single crochet in each space. So and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next space, single crochet, and the last space, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this single crochet I'm gonna make will be in this one here because I need to connect. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna just make a single crochet in that one here, just right here, because I just came up from that one. Okay, so that's how it looks like when I finish it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you again how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like, and now it's time to make the third row, which is this round double crochet all around. So let's go and do it. So the second row is just very simple. You make 4 chains and a single crochet in each space to make this one. It will be more obvious as I made this row here, so stay tuned for that next video.